In this video, we are going to implement a cloud-based temperature and humidity monitoring system using IoT. Now let's start building the project from the scratch. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.
Components required for building this project are DHT 11 sensor, breadboard, Node MCU ESP8266 and 3 male-to-male jumper wires. Now put the DHT sensor on one side of the breadboard and the Node MCU ESP8266 on the other side of the breadboard. By default, the VCC pin should be connected to the 5V DC supply, but as it is not available, we will be connecting it to the 3V3 pin of the Node MCU and the ground pin of the DHT11 to the ground pin of the Node MCU and the data pin to the digital D3 pin of the Node MCU. You can connect any digital pin and make changes in the program accordingly. That's it for the connection. Now connect the USB cable to the Node MCU and other end of the USB cable to your laptop and switch to the next section, that is the programming. If you are new to the Arduino IDE, then by default the Node MCU board is not provided in it. I have already uploaded a video on how to add it to the Arduino IDE. First watch it and then come to this video. The link to the libraries used in this program are provided in the description below. First download the library, add it to your Arduino IDE and then continue watching the video. Now move forward toward creating a channel to the thingspeak.com. So for creating a channel, go to your browser, open thingspeak.com. If you are new, then click on the sign up and create your account. As I have already created my account on thingspeak.com, I will be clicking on the sign in and log into my account. Now click on new channel, give the channel name, that is weather monitoring, give the field 1 name as temperature, click on the checkbox, give the field 2 name as the humidity, click on save channel. Now your channel with 2 fields, one for the temperature and other for the humidity has been created. By default there will be a graph for both the fields, but you can add some more widgets to the same channel by clicking on add widgets. Select any one of the widgets as per the requirement from the gauge, numeric display and lamp. I will be choosing the numeric display here. Click on next. Configure the widget's parameters. Give name as temperature, field as field 1, leave the update interval to default, units to Celsius and up to 2 decimal places. Click on create. Similarly, create another widgets for field 2. Give name as humidity, change field 1 to field 2, leave the update interval to default, units as percentage and up to 2 decimal places. Click on create. That's it, we are done with the channel creation. Now download the code from the description of the video and open it to the Arduino IDE. When you open the code, you will see all the declaration at the top, followed by the code for the sensor initialization, Wi-Fi connection. Inside the loop, you will find the code for reading the sensor value, TCP connection and server request. I am using the delay of 15 seconds between the 2 data packets as it is required to prevent the data loss. Inside the declaration, you need to change the SSID name with your Wi-Fi name, password to your Wi-Fi password. For the right API key, go to your channel that you have created on thingspeak.com, click on API key, copy the right API key and paste it to the code. That's it. Now it's time to upload the code. Click on the tools, select the board as Node MCU ESP12V module, connect the ESP8266 to your laptop and select the port. Click on the upload button. Then once the code is uploaded, turn on the serial monitor, change the baud rate to 115200 and verify the data on the Thingspeak. That's it for this video. If you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates.